Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you one of the most popular social platforms in China, WeChat. It is also called Weixin in Chinese and has over 900 million monthly users by September 2017. And people spend hours on the app every day. Why is it such a popular app in China and why so many people are spending so much time on the app every day? So in today's video, we're going to cover all the popular features to help you decide whether WeChat is the right platform for your company or brand. So if you haven't downloaded the WeChat app, simply go to the App Store, search for WeChat to download. It is quite straightforward to register an account. Okay, here you go. Here's the app. WeChat is actually a messaging app like WhatsApp, but it's so much more. I always tell people that WeChat is a combination of WhatsApp, PayPal, Skype, Facebook, and more. You will see what I mean as we go through the app. When you open WeChat, you will see four icons at the bottom: Chats, Contacts, Discover, and Me. So Chats is where you communicate with your contacts on WeChat. You can have a one-to-one conversation with your contact like this one, or you can have a group chat like this one. With the one-to-one chats, you can send text messages or audio messages. If you click on the plus icon, you will see you can also send media files or do audio video calls. I call my family in China using this function all the time from the UK. Here you can also see red packet and transfer. Red packet is called 红包 in Chinese, like red envelope. You can use red packet and transfer function to send money through chats. We'll come back to the WeChat payment function later on. Well, here is a group chat which is quite commonly used by businesses in China to nurture a relationship with potential customers. Here again, you can type your message or send audio messages. You can also send images, files, or red packets through chats. In chats, you will also see subscriptions, which is a list of public accounts that you follow on WeChat. For example, LinkedIn has a public account on WeChat which I follow. When you open it up, you will see navigation tabs at the bottom, or you can click on the keyboard icon and send direct messages to the account. Here you can see the article they publish. Let's have a look. As you can see, what public accounts publish on WeChat are usually long articles like this one. At the bottom of the article, you can see a read more link, which is usually linked back to a company's website. Views is how many times your article has been read, and here's a likes icon, which people can like your article, then comments below. In the top right corner, the three dots icon is what you use to share this article. You can send it to a person or group via chat, or share it on Moments, which we will cover later in this video. In Contacts, you will see a list of people you've added on WeChat and also a list of official accounts that you follow on WeChat. You can click on the plus icon in the top right corner to add new ones. In Discover, you will find Moments. Now here is where all the fun stuff is. You can see what your WeChat contacts posted. You can also post your own images, videos with text by clicking on the camera icon in the top right corner. You can only see moments from people who you've added on WeChat as contacts. As mentioned earlier when I showed you the public accounts, that articles published by public accounts can be shared on Moments. And here is an example. This is how your content gets spread on WeChat. The other very popular function on WeChat is mini programs. With mini programs, anything is possible on WeChat. They can be seen as individual apps within WeChat. Companies can develop their own mini programs, and here you can see a list of samples. You can find all sorts of mini programs like JD Jingdong, which is for shopping, or this one is for events registration. A lot of companies opened their own WeChat online store via this function. WeChat is definitely more than just a social platform, and here's why. When you go to the Me tab, you can see Wallet. We talked about Red Packet and transfer functions in Chat section earlier. Those functions are linked to your wallet. When you click on Money, you can see a barcode and a QR code. You can use these to pay for your purchases in stores. With Receive Money, you can get payments from other people. I personally love the split bill function. So, for example, when you go out for dinner with a group of friends and you kindly pay the bill in the restaurant, you can then split the bill using this function. You just create the amount of money your friends owe you, send it to a group. Then all the members from that WeChat group will get a payment notification and pay you through WeChat directly. Here you can click on Balance to top up your WeChat wallet, or you can click Cards to link your bank card to your wallet. When you have money in your WeChat wallet, or if your wallet is linked to a bank card, then you can use all these very handy tools below, like top up your mobile credits, pay utility bills, or order taxi, or even buy movie tickets. So as you can see, you really can do all sorts of things on WeChat. This is why WeChat is so popular in China and why people spend so much time on it. Now, if you decide to get your business onto WeChat, what do you do? Companies usually use public account, which is actually completely different from the WeChat app that I just showed you. WeChat public account is a web-based platform, and here's a site. You can register different types of public accounts, such as subscription account and service account. Registration for a public account is not actually that straightforward, and we will cover the public account platform another time. Thank you very much for watching.